Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be going over a review of what I think is going to happen tomorrow. So this is not gonna be very long. Um, I'm just gonna go over a review of what happened today and what I think is gonna happen tomorrow based off what happened today. So today, the kill zones were from 7 o'clock. So here, let me just draw a line real quick. So they're from here to here. So this is the New Year kill zone. This was the AM session. So as you guys can see, we got kind of a bit of chop. We kind of got like a structure break right here, but it didn't break the structure down here. It did a tiny bit, but I'm gonna start at the higher time frames and show you the higher time frames are very, very bullish right now. Higher low, higher low, higher low. No major structure breaks. And if we go to the daily, we have these equal highs right here. So here's where all the retail stop losses are, and we kind of wicked over that today, and then we kind of dumped a little bit. So we have those equal highs, and then we also have this daily fair value gap. So what I think is going to happen is, I think as today we hit this equal highs, I think we're going to dump from this fair value gap, whether that be today or tomorrow. Maybe today was top, maybe it wasn't, but in order to fully understand when top is in and when it isn't, is looking for structure break. So like today we dumped and we had a structure break right here, but this is in the 5 minute. If we're looking to play a daily fair value gap, I would probably play a structure break on a higher time frame. You could try to get in early on like the 5 minute or 15 minute, but you're gonna be risking a lot. So I'll try to get a structure break on like the 1 hour. I mean, we technically kind of had one in the 30 minute, but on the 1 hour we don't really have one yet. So if we go below this point in the 1 hour, I would look for a retrace and then a short setup in the smaller time frames. But on the 1 hour, we still have no structure breaks, and we still have quite a bit of room to go in this fair value gap. So I am overall short now that we hit these equal highs and we're in this fair value gap, but I'm not going to short until I see a good like short setup on like a 1 hour time frame. And there are going to people be trying to get in early and trying to like short right here, down from here, way down here. But again, I need to see this 1 hour structure break probably. I did post a play in my private Twitter, if you guys follow that. I actually posted a play. Entry was right around here, and I posted it before these candles went up here. So I posted it right around here, and my target was right here. So tomorrow, I'm basically going to be looking for that. And basically today, we didn't bounce on any random spot. We came to discount, so if you draw a thread from this low to this high, discount is under this 50%, under this 50% level. We actually bounced from this fair value gap today, this bullish fair value gap. And in any situation, this would be your target if you took calls down here. But we formed a very, very giant bearish fair value gap, and we broke structure. As you guys can tell, we broke structure right here. So we made a lower low, or a lower, lower low, and then a lower high right here. So that's something to take into account. And then we kind of rejected this fair value gap as well. And this is what I thought would initially happen. I thought we would reject this and go down here. And as you guys can see, we haven't really gone down here yet. So that's what I think is going to happen overnight or tomorrow. And then my ultimate target is this 4277 level, 4278 to be exact. So that's what I think is going to happen tomorrow. I am still looking for this 1 hour structure break, as I said, right here. I mean, this would be important to break, but this level right here, this is like the ultimate level we need to break structure. If we break that, I think we go down way farther. We really haven't had any major structure breaks in the 1 hour. So, I mean, that would be very important to break. And like, if you just look how overextended we are, I mean, I don't use RSI or any of that, but I'm sure RSI is pretty high. Let me just check the. So even for longs, like algos and people going long, we're not even close to discount for longs yet. So if we do pull back, I think we're going to come back down to about the 4,000 level maybe. I mean, I'm kind of getting a little higher myself. I'm trying to do smaller time frames for what I think is going to happen tomorrow, but that's something I think we can see in the future. But yeah, as of right now, I think we're a little bearish for tomorrow until we hit this level, because I think we're going to reject this 15-minute fair value gap right here. So yeah, I'll see how it goes tomorrow. And yeah, I'm not going to do these reviews every night, only the nights where I have nothing going on, because I have been busy lately. But hopefully this insight kind of helps you guys a little bit. And if my advice is wrong, I'm sorry. This is not financial advice. Just kind of practicing ICT for my own journal per se. So yeah, other than that, enjoy your night and peace.